now let's focus on the state of Uttar Pradesh. Interesting developments today. But before we get down to that, a quick look on what to expect tomorrow. 8 seats are going up for voting in the second phase, most of them coming in from Western Uttar Pradesh. If you look at it, the math stands at NDA at 7 and others at 1. If you go back, hark back to 2019, this blip that you see in a sea of saffron there, it was the seat of Amroha. And we're going to get you more. Danish Ali stands from there, from the India Alliance this time. He was in the BSP in 2019. But the big development that I was talking about, viewers, and that comes in from Kannauj, where you had Akhilesh Yadav, who filed his nomination today from the seat of Kannauj, going into elections in the fourth phase, I beg your pardon, in Uttar Pradesh. And he decided to get his nephew, Tej Pratap Singh, to pull back his nomination, and replace him was Akhilesh, who, as per him, took his party workers' advice and said that he is the one who's going to contest. Right ahead of filing his nomination, Akhilesh shared an old picture of filing his nomination from Kannauj. It was his first election that he had fought from Kannauj. Meanwhile, SP's former ally RLD hit out at Akhilesh. RLD chief Jayant Chaudhary said that there was only confusion in the Samajwadi Party and that there was always uncertainty. Remember, Akhilesh's wife Dimple Yadav lost from Kannauj in 2019. So will Akhilesh win from Kannauj against BJP Shubrat Pathak, who also filed his nomination today?
यहाँ के लोगों की मदद, यहाँ के कारोबार, यहाँ के लोगों की खुशहाली के लिए, और जो विकास रुक गया है, जो विकास थम गया है, जिस विकास को जानबूझ करके बीजेपी के लोगों ने इसलिए रोका क्योंकि समाजवादियों ने वो काम शुरू किए थे। बीजेपी के लोगों ने नकारात्मक राजनीति की। उनकी भाषा, उनका व्यवहार, उनका काम करने का तरीका, यहाँ की जनता एक बार फिर प्यार, मोहब्बत, मिलीजुली संस्कृति, आपस में भाईचारा, उसका दौर शुरू करेगा।
उन्होंने ही तो इस देश का ये स्थिति किया। पाकिस्तान एक बड़ा हिस्सा हमारे देश का एक टुकड़ा हमसे अलग कर दिया। वहां हमारे 27% जो हमारी आबादी थी आज खत्म हो गई। आज कोई वहां नाम लेने वाला नहीं है, मंदिर जाने वाला कोई पाकिस्तान में बचा नहीं है, कोई जाता भी नहीं है। 14-15 साल की लड़की उठा लिया जाता है, जबरदस्ती 70 साल के बुढ़े के साथ निकाह करा दिया जाता है। ये हो रहा है वहां पाकिस्तान में, यही इनकी हिंदुस्तान में करने की तैयारी है। और तभी अखिलेश जैसे नेता इन आतंकियों को, इन माफियाओं को संरक्षित करते हैं और इनको पोषित करते हैं।
All right, Akhilesh Yadav filing his nominations from the seat of Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh tomorrow, of course, the west part of UP going into elections, 8 seats. But another state to watch out for tomorrow, viewers, is West Bengal. Because the 3 seats which are once again up for elections in West Bengal, all 3 of them with the NDA, which is the Bharatiya Janata Party. You see the north there, that's where the BJP dominated. These 3 seats again, we're going to see a lot of action, hopefully not violence, which we saw in the first phase in the other 3 seats up north that went to vote. So all eyes on tomorrow when India votes in the second phase, 13 states, 88 seats.